Hello, 你好 Welcome back to the episode of Super Easy Mandarin Chinese for a Beginner. In this episode, I'm still going to give you some vocabulary of Mandarin, and we are going to practice the pronunciation made sentences. Now, let's get started. First word. How do you pronounce that? Just like I say, use your instincts. 酒. This one is tricky. 酒. And the IU final is yo sound. So 酒, which means alcohol, but the same pronunciation also has another character, which means 9. So 酒, 9, and alcohol, they share the exact pronunciation. 酒. Now let's stick to alcohol. 酒. Next word. How would you pronounce that? 啤酒, 啤酒, which means beer. Beer, alcohol, beer. Okay, 啤酒. Next one. Okay, this one pronounced 红酒. I hope you guessed it right. 红酒. Next one. Okay, 白酒, white wine. So the last one is red wine. 白酒, white color, wine. So white wine, 白酒. 调酒, cocktail. Literally means mix alcohol, but it means cocktail because you mix things together, right? So 调酒. Next one. 喝. So 喝, to drink. 喝. Okay, now I'm going to use these vocabulary and the vocabulary that we learned from the last or previous lessons and make some sentences. The first sentence is 你喜欢喝调酒吗? 你喜欢喝调酒吗? What does that mean? Do you like to drink cocktails? Again, 你喜欢喝调酒吗? 你喜欢喝调酒吗? Do you like to drink cocktail? The second one, 我妈妈爱白酒. 我妈妈爱白酒. What do I say? 我妈妈, my mother. I is love. 白酒, white wine. 我妈妈爱白酒. Next one. 那个台湾人喜欢喝台湾啤酒. Ooh, it's kind of long. 那个台湾人喜欢喝台湾啤酒. I'll say one more time. 那个台湾人喜欢喝台湾啤酒. What did I say? 那个, that. 台湾人, Taiwan person. 喜欢, like. 喝, to drink. 台湾啤酒. We have a beer here in Taiwan which is very famous. The name of the beer is called 台湾啤酒. Taiwan beer, and then you should try it. It's really good. Okay, 那个台湾人喜欢喝台湾啤酒. Alright, that's all for our episode today. Thank you for watching this episode. 我们下次见. Until next time, 再见.